Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to unbox the BOOX Tab Mini C. Let's get started. Okay, this is the BOOX Tab Mini. We're going to unbox this, take a look at it. There's the back of the box, and this is the cover that I got with it. It's a magnetic cover. We'll see what that looks like, and then there are some extra pen points there that we're gonna that I got as well. So let's open this up. Okay, so we've got them both here. Let's open up the box and see what we've got. I'm pretty excited about this because this is going to compare to my iPad mini that I use a lot. So opening the box, there is the BOOX, and it's a color e-ink display. Here's the back side. Let's open that up and crack that open so you can see the display without the wrapper on it. So we'll get that open, and there it is. That's the color e-ink. Should have really good battery life. I love the idea of e-ink on these. Nice size, fits well in my hand, comparable to my iPad mini. In the box, let's see what we've got. We'll open this up, and it looks like we've got the pen inside the box, and we've got a USB-C. That looks like a USB-C to USB-A, and it is cable. So that comes with the device as well. Put that back in the bag there. And then some documentation that just came with the tablet itself. So put that back in there. And next we'll tackle the case. Just put that back in the box. And we'll get that closed up. Try and get that closed up there. And just move off to the side. And there's the tablet, and we'll take the pen out. Light feel to the pen. Doesn't have a really heavy weight to it, but it's a nice weight to it. And it's got that pen cap on it, which I don't know if you really need to keep the pen cap on, but came with the pen cap. So we've got that there. Move that off to the side. Let's open up the cover and see how that fits on the tablet. I didn't have any color options, so I'm not sure if there were different colors available. This was like a bundle that I got off of Amazon, and that will be linked in the description below. But this is the cover. It's kind of got like a rubbery feel to it. So should be interesting using this with the tablet. There could be some aftermarket cases available as well. I'm sure there probably are. Get that stuff out of there. And there's the cover. So kind of almost like my iPad mini cover. I believe it's magnetic, so it just snaps on there, and yep, it's magnetic. It'll stay on there. I like that it just folds right built behind the tablet, so it can almost lay flat on a desk, but I don't like that flap on the right hand side personally. For me, that flap is kind of annoying. Hopefully it'll lay flat as I continue to use it, but it does fit the BOOX really nice, and the pen is magnetic as well, so it just sits right on the side there, and the magnet closes with that flap. So it fits really nice. Let's compare it to my iPad mini, because that's the big idea here. I was going to get a bigger BOOX, and I got this size specifically because it compares more to an iPad mini in size. And they're almost about the same thickness and height. Now, I do think the iPad mini might be a little thinner, but I think they're pretty comparable if you look at how they're sized up with each other. The BOOX almost has, in some of the angles that you're seeing, the BOOX almost looks a little tiny bit thinner. But this is with both cases on. I like that both cases flip back and they don't add a lot of bulk to it. The BOOX case might be a little bulkier, but just a little bit, not by very much. And I think the Apple Pencil is a little longer. But let's see what they look like just device to device without cases. So take the iPad out, and then we'll take the books out of its case and see how they stack up just device to device. So that's them right next to each other. And display wise, of course, the e-ink is not going to be as vibrant as the iPad mini, but the color display is really nice on the e-ink. And you can adjust the brightness on that as well. I think it's probably at a lower brightness right now out of the box. But these are the devices next to each other. The fact that the books does not have a camera on it is fine with me. I don't even use the camera on my iPad mini, so I almost don't even need that camera on the iPad mini. And this is the devices just next to each other. You can see the thickness between the two and how they compare, and the books fits really nice in hand. Alright everyone, that's the unboxing of the BOOX Tab Mini C. I'm going to be working on a review, so if you have any specific questions or comments, please leave them below. And please like this video if you found it useful. Click on subscribe and turn on notifications so you find out when I post this review. Thanks again for watching, and talk to you soon.